Welcome everybody to our channel. Today we should compute standard deviation by using arithmetic mean method. That means first of all we should compute arithmetic mean and then we should compute the standard deviation of the given series. So let's start. The given series is x, that is 4, 3, 5, 2 and 6. Here we should compute the standard deviation by using arithmetic mean method. That means first of all we should compute the arithmetic mean of the given series. So the arithmetic of our given series is calculated by using the rules of arithmetic mean. So first of all find out the summation of x, that is 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6, that is 20. So our arithmetic mean, that is denoted as x bar, equals to summation x by n. So our arithmetic mean of the given series is 20 divided by n, means the number of items here is 5. So our arithmetic mean is 4. So as arithmetic mean is 4, now we should compute the small x, that is the difference between x and x bar. So our value of small x should be calculated by differentiating variables of the given series by the arithmetic mean of the given series or the distribution, that is 4 minus 4 equals to 0, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 5 minus 4 that is 1, 2 minus 4 that is minus 2, 6 minus 4 that is 2. Then find out small x square, that is 0 square is 0, square of 1 equals to 1 and 1 square is also 1, minus 2 square 4 and 2 square is also 4. So find out summation of small x square, that is 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 10. So the value of our standard deviation under arithmetic mean method should be computed by using the direct rules, that is rules of the standard deviation is whole root of summation of small x square divided by n. So now putting the values we should get, that is a 10 divided by n, that is 4 root of whole root of 10 by 4, that is root of 2, that is 1.41. So the value of our standard deviation of the given series by using the arithmetic mean is 1.41. Now we should compute standard deviation of a discrete series by using arithmetic mean method. So first of all we should find out arithmetic of the given series, that is fx equals to 5 into 6, that is 30, 15 into 14 equals to 210, 25 into 16 equals to 400, 35 into 27 equals to 945 and 45 into 22 equals to 990, 55 into 15 equals to 825. So our summation of fx equals to 30 plus 210 plus 400 plus 945 plus 990 plus 825, that is 3400. So our total frequency, that is n equals to 6 plus 14 plus 16 plus 27 plus 22 plus 15 equals to 100. So our arithmetic mean, that is x bar equals to summation fx by n. So by putting the values, that is 3400 divided by 100 equals to 34. So our arithmetic mean is 34. Now we should compute the standard deviation of the given series by using the arithmetic mean method. So first of all, we should find out small x. For that purpose, that is the difference between x minus or x bar. So small x should be 5 minus 34, that is minus 29, 15 minus 34, that is minus 19, 25 minus 34, that is minus 9, 35 minus 34, 1, 45 minus 34, that is our 11, 55 minus 34, that is 21. Now we should find out x square or the small x square, that is 29 square equals to 841, and 19 square, that is 361, and 9 square, that is 81, 1 square, that is 1, and 11 square, that is 121, and 21 square, that is 441. Now multiply the frequency with the square of the small x in order to find out fx square. So 6 into 841 equals to 5046, then 14 into 361 equals to 5054, 81 into 16 equals to 1296, 27 into 1, that is 27, 22 into 121 equals to 2661, and 15 into 441 equals to 6615. Now find out summation of x square, that is 5046 plus 5054 plus 1296 plus 27 plus 2661 plus 6615, that is 20,699. Now we can calculate the value of the standard deviation by using the rules under arithmetic mean, that is whole root of summation fx square divided by n. Now putting the values, that is 20,699 divided by n, that is the total frequency 100 root over. So the value of our standard deviation is whole root of 206.99, that is 14.38. So this is the all about our computation of standard deviation of a discrete series under arithmetic mean method. Similarly, in case of continuous series, we only find out the midpoint of the different classes of the given series, and then find out the small x, that is by differentiating midpoint with the value of the x bar, that is m minus x bar, and all the process of the discrete method or the discrete series should be repeated in case of our continuous series for the purpose of computing value of the standard deviation of a continuous series in case of arithmetic mean method. So these are the all about our computation of standard deviation under arithmetic mean method. So repeatedly watch this video to clear your doubts on the computation of standard deviation under arithmetic mean method, and share it with all your friends. Thank you.